guys. So now we're on part 2 of 9.1. So now we're actually going to be measuring, using writing equations and using algebra to find missing angles based on our relationships. So first, what is the measure of angles Kij? Kij. We know HIK is 136. So what could we use to answer this question? Well, we know that HIJ is a 180-degree angle. So what type of angle pair is this? Is it complementary or supplementary? Are these going to add up to 180 or are they going to add up to 90? They're going to add up to 180, a straight line. So this is a supplementary relationship, right? That means that we can call this angle X, right? We don't know this angle. We're going to call it X. So we know that 136 plus X equals 180. So then we could subtract 136 from both sides, and you get X, or the measurement of Kij, to be equal to 44 degrees. Because 180 minus 136 is 44. So X has to be 44 degrees. Okay? Now let's look at number 2 together. We know that EBF is a right angle, so this is 90 degrees. We know that ABC is a straight line, which is 180. That means that all of these angles will add up to 180, right? So we could say that this is X. We don't know what ABE is. So we could say that X plus 90 plus 38 equals 180. Right? So then you get X plus 128 equals 180, combine like terms, right? Subtract 128 from both sides, and you get X equals 52. So ABE has to be equal to 52 degrees. Okay? All right. Go ahead and read number 3, and I'm going to come back. All right, we're actually going to skip number 3, so you can cross it out, or maybe we'll come back to it another time. But right now, we're skipping 3. So let's go to 4. 4 says angles A and B are supplementary angles. What does supplementary mean again? Adds up to 180. Remember that. Supplementary, 180. So the measures of angles A is 42. So if A is 42 and B is, we don't know what B is, we need to write an equation that shows what angle B would equal to. So we know that adds up to 180. So angle A is 42. So 42 plus, we can say angle B. We can just say angle B equals 180. Let's add an M in front of the angle B. So it's a measurement of angle B equals 180. So now, subtract 42 from both sides, and you get the measurement of angle B equals 138. So angle is 138 is your answer. All right, pause the video. Try number 5. At least write your equation. Remember what complementary means. If you forget, look on the backside of your notes. Here's your work for number 5. So complementary means adds up to 90. So we know what angle 12 is C. C is angle 12 degrees. Plus the measurement of angle D, because we don't know the measurement of angle D, equals 90. Subtract 12 from both sides, and you get measurement of angle D equals 78 degrees. All right. So we are skipping 7, but we are doing 6. So go ahead and pause the video, read number 6, see if you can write your equation. So this one's weird. We're not actually solving for an angle here. We're solving for X. Then we can use the what X is to find out what measurements of angles G and F are. Well, G we know is 15. So our equation is 4X plus 5, which is F, plus angle G, which is 15, equals 90. So now let's solve this equation. I'm going to write it over here, have some more room. So first step, combine like terms. 5 plus 15 is 20, so 4x plus 20 equals 90. I'm going to pause the video and let you solve that two-step equation. So you should have gotten, look at my work, you should have gotten x equals 17.5. So I'm going to write that there. So if x is 17.5, what would f have to be? Well, f is 4x plus 5. Well, we know what x is, so now we can substitute 4 times 17.5 plus 5. 4 times 17.5 is 70. 70 plus 5 is 75. So measurement of angle F has to be 75 degrees, and then we know that G is 15 degrees because it gave us that in the problem. All right. You guys are done with the notes for 9.1, so go ahead and do your must do and then ace that mastery check. Good luck, guys.